What's good, YouTube? This is Osiris, the PC Pimp. Today I have a budget gaming PC build, but since this is a Linux channel, sorta, kinda, gaming channel, I don't know, it's Linux compatible, of course. With the CPU, we're gonna go with the AMD FX-6300 at 3.5 gigahertz. It is a socket AM3 Plus, and it is 6 cores. The reason I chose this one is because I think with the 6 cores, if you ever decide to get into streaming, this will benefit you very greatly, and it's only $107, which is this CPU will be enough for you to play your games on, no problems, no issues. It'll also let you play emulators and all that other good stuff that you might want to play, like the Dolphin emulator, which is for to play Nintendo Wii games and stuff like that, Z and ES and all that good stuff. We're gonna need something to put it into, and that is the motherboard, which is that Asus M5A97LER 2.0. Yeah, it's a lot to say, but it's just a regular motherboard. There's nothing super special about it. It just allows you to put your CPU into it. It has a pretty good feature set, and it's very reasonably priced right now for $59.99 on Newegg with a promo code. We're going to need some memory for our PC build, so we're going to go with 4 gigs of crucial memory. Nothing spectacular or special about it. It's 1600 megahertz RAM, which is good, and it's 4 gigs. In the future, you may want to upgrade, so get another stick of this stuff and make it 8 gigs. But for our budget build, we're going to go with 4. That's plenty enough to get started with. You need a storage device to put your operating system, probably Linux, of course. Come on. And then your games, and then your porn. I'm not judging. But anyhow, we got a Seagate. I think this is a Barracuda drive, and it is 1 terabyte static 6 gigabit per second drive, and it'll store your stuff. I mean, there's not much to say about that except for it's a storage device, and very well priced storage device on top of that. Now, the most important thing in any PC gaming build is, of course, the graphics card, and here we have the mini monster, I'm gonna call it. It's the EVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti, and it is an absolute monster for its size and price weight. At only $129.99, this will play even Battlefield 4 at high to ultra settings. You could get it to ultra settings with the AA turned down on this card and still maintain 60 frames per second. And for Linux gamers out there, this will play just about every Linux game at the max settings, except for games like Metro Last Light. And then you can play it at high, which is still gorgeous. That game is an absolute gorgeous game, and this card will pretty much play it no issues. And it doesn't use any power. That's the best part. It's only a 60-watt card. So of course, we got to put all this stuff into something. Can't lay it on your desk. And keep in mind, this is a guide or suggestions, and you can change any part that you want. And of course, cases are pretty personal. People like to choose their own cases, but I chose this case based on expandability and cable management and looks. It does come with a full-size window on the side. It is the Corsair Spec 01 Red. It comes with plenty of room to put even the biggest graphics card that you can find in it. It's got pretty good wire management, as you can see behind the motherboard tray. It has plenty of room to put all the fans that you can think of in it, and it looks good. It comes with a red LED fan in the front because it is the red version. I believe they have a blue and a white version also. If you want to go check out Corsair's site at corsair.com and check that out, you can do that. And to power all of this, we're going to use the EVGA 500B, which is a bronze certified 500 watt power supply, as the name would suggest. This is a budget build, which means that it's low powered pretty much, but this power supply will allow you to upgrade your GPU in the future if you decide that the 750 Ti is not enough for you, to the 760 and definitely the 960, which is a Maxwell chipset also, which they're all low powered GPUs. So this is enough for any upgrade that you can, incremental upgrade that you can do. Definitely wouldn't suggest you put a 290X on this or anything like that. But that is our budget build for today. That is Linux compatible, with the total price being, as of today, $502. Pretty good price for very good performance. Tomorrow, I'm not gonna say tomorrow. Well, soon I'm gonna have the mid-range gaming build, which is obviously gonna also be Linux gaming compatible. So check that out. Be looking for it. Hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at Osiris. Hit the like button. Hit the dislike button. Hit all the buttons, and then I'll holler at you. This is Osiris, and I'm out.